Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use your path tool on your TradingView. So if you're new to TradingView, I'm going to show you how to use your path tool on your TradingView chart. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, without much time, let's get to the video. In this video I'll be using GBP USD as an example right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. I'll click right here to make my chart look bigger right here. So now this is my chart, and what are the path tool used for? So now if you want to get in your path tool, you click right here on this pencil. Once you click on it, now you can see our path tool right here. This is our path tool. What is our path tool used for? It's used in marking out your candles. Let's take for example, this is what we use in identifying our higher highs and our higher lows. So you can see you're marking out. This is what the path tool is used for, you can see. And also you can decide to increase it, and also you can decide to change the color to red, yellow, pink, whichever color you want, but mine, I prefer it black and tiny. So this is just the simplest way on how to use your path tool on TradingView. Hope you find this video helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.